What's up everyone, it's Houndx here, and today I'm going to show you how to get animated wallpapers on your desktop for your computer for completely free. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. In this video I'm going to show you two ways to get animated wallpapers on your desktop. The first one's going to be the paid method, which is the one I highly recommend, and the next one I'm going to show you is the free method. So I'm just going to go off with the first method, which is using Wallpaper Engine. This is the paid method. It's getting Wallpaper Engine, which is getting it through Steam. Now there are two ways to get it. You can either get it from Steam or the Humble store. Steam is the much better option. It's only $4, and trust me, I believe that's like one of the best in-app purchases that you can ever make. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Wallpaper Engine anyway. I'm not affiliated with them. I just genuinely think that the software is really good. So what you want to do is just add to cart and then create a Steam account if you don't have one, and then once you buy it, it's in your Steam account, and then download Steam, set that up. And once you have downloaded Steam and set that up, logged into your account, a Wallpaper Engine should show up in the games and software right here, and all you have to do is just open that up. I believe I already have that open up, I think, and it'll pop open like this. Now you're not going to get that many wallpapers like I have right now since I've already set it up, but you will be coming in with some of the default wallpapers. So if you guys were wondering, this is the wallpaper that I use in my videos a lot. It's shown on my desktop, a lot of things, the monitor. It's this wallpaper called Intersection. So just head over down to the link in the description below. I'll leave this down below the video. And then what you do is, if you already signed into your Steam account like what I've shown you before, then all you have to do is just click subscribe to this thing, and it will say add an item has been added to your subscriptions. Then go back to Wallpaper Engine, and it should show up right here. All you have to do is just select that, and it will set as your wallpaper. So if I go to my desktop, there we go. We have the wallpaper set up. Now you may just notice that it's actually a different color. That's because I applied a special effect to it, a hue. So it actually just looks like this. Like when you drag 50 is the default option under the hue shift. I'm just gonna leave it there. This is what it actually looks like, and you can shift the colors as much as you want. I'll just leave it at default for now, but this is the actual wallpaper, and you can play with all these settings you want. That's the best part about the software. You have so much options. So the best part about this software is that you get to browse for other wallpapers within the Steam workshop. You have this like luxury. That's why I recommend getting this paid version after all. So if you want to find other wallpapers, just go to the workshop tab, and just go under tags. You can also go to resolution. I just recommend selecting everything 1080p and above. Age rating, you can also do that. In tags, I think this is the most important part. Like, it's just a matter of selecting what you want. You can also do the other way around. You can select all of them and then just filter out the ones that you don't want. So if that's anime, there you go. Okay, so let's say you found the wallpaper that you want after browsing for so long. So I'm gonna go with this one as an example. What you want to do is click subscribe, which will download the wallpaper for you. And then boom, there you go. It's gonna show up right there the moment you download it. So if you want to download wallpapers from the website, you can also do that too. Just click on the workshop tab in Wallpaper Engine, and here you just see a bunch of options to get wallpapers basically, and you can do the same process, just filtering out from here, and maybe you can see the most popular wallpapers, and that can give you some idea. And if you find one on the website, same process. Just click subscribe if you're logged into Steam, and then just go back to here, and there we go. It's gonna show up right into your thing, and then there's the wallpaper right there. I'm also gonna cover the best settings for Wallpaper Engine, if you guys are wondering. So for playback, I just keep this as running when other applications focus. Maximized pause, because like if your program's maximized, there's no need to have the wallpaper running in the background taking up extra system resources. And same thing goes with full screen. This applies to a lot of like games that you might be playing if you're full screening. Like you want the maximum performance in your games, so you don't want the wallpaper running in the background. And if it's playing audio, I just leave that keep running. Display asleep, leave that as stop. Free memory. Application rules. This is a good one. This is a place where you can create certain rules for applications that are specific to you. Like, let's say you don't want Wallpaper Engine to be running when you're playing another video game. So this is a perfect place to add that. You just browse for the exe file, and then you select when it's running. It doesn't matter, and then you click stop free memory. Like I have that on a couple of my games, so I don't get any crashing from this. Now for quality, I think most systems, you can just pick one of these presets, but I do recommend setting to 60 frames per second just for that nice smoothness. You can always adjust texture resolution however you want. For anti-aliasing, I just make sure just to keep it at X times 2. Like I think anything beyond times 2 is just not really noticeable. Like I don't really notice a difference between X8 and X2 on this 1440p monitor that I'm recording right now. Post processing, I would try to turn this on, but you can disable it if your computer's not good enough. Reflections, definitely leave that on if you want the good effects. This is really just stuff you adjust based on your system, like how powerful your system is. And then for general, make sure that start with Windows is on. Just set high priority and you're good. Protect against crashes, that should be on. I think this is mainly self-explanatory. However, I do recommend setting this to disabled, so Wallpaper Engine doesn't just randomly adjust your Windows colors and does all those weird things. So that's pretty much it for settings, and I think that's pretty much it for Wallpaper Engine. On to the free method. So this is the free method to get video wallpapers, animated wallpapers on your desktop. And the software I'm going to show you guys for this free method is Lively Wallpaper. Now, to be honest, I'm not a big fan of this software really, because it just comes with some bugs, and the video wallpapers, it does get the job done, but like I think Wallpaper Engine is just a much better program overall. So if you can get Wallpaper Engine, if you're able to pay that $4, I think it's a much better deal than this. I think going with all the hassle with this. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. Just scroll down to the end of this page. Check this link down in the description below. I'll leave it below this video. Once you scroll down to the end of this page, just click installer. I prefer getting the installer, not from Microsoft. So once you have downloaded the setup, I've just opened it, and you'll see this pop up right here. Just click install for all users. So you don't have to deal with all that hassle. Now just go with the installation. So I'm just gonna click OK, next, accept, next, yes. And this is a very important page. Make sure that this is ticked. Like you want your wallpaper to automatically start, so you don't have to open up your application every time that you boot up your computer. So I think just leave these both checked, click next, and install. So once the setup is completed, it's going to pop up the screen right here. For the sake of recording this video, I'm just going to click no. I'll restart the computer later, but I would restart the computer anyway. So once you have downloaded the wallpaper, you do have to open up the application, I believe. So just search up Lively Wallpaper in your search bar, and then it's going to pop up. Right there we go. But in case if nothing shows up, just click the arrow down here, and then right click on this icon where it shows the logo, and then click open Lively, and it will show up right here. So in this menu, you'll find a bunch of built-in wallpapers like rain and fluids. So next, head down to the link in the description. It's going to be a Google Drive link this time, and you're going to want to download this video file of intersection, which is this video wallpaper. So just click this download button right here, and it's going to download to your desktop. I've already downloaded, so I'm going to open up Lively Wallpaper. And what you want to do is go to Library, click Add Wallpaper, and then click Open. Find the place where you saved the file, which is intersection, and then click Open. And there you go. Now we've uploaded it into Wallpaper. I'm just gonna click OK, and it's gonna upload. There we go. Now we have uploaded this wallpaper officially, which is really nice. Now let's go back to our desktop, and it's working perfectly fine. And don't worry about the video file, like it's gonna loop anyway. So, but yeah, that's how you get this wallpaper in Lively Wallpaper. It is a more nuanced process. So there you have it. Now, if you guys want to get other wallpapers other than intersection, one way is to get them from YouTube. So just find a YouTube video where there's just a looping background video, and all you have to do is click on share, copy the link right here, and then go back to Lively, paste the URL right there, and click that. And if it works, it's going to show that video right there. I'm just going to call it space and then click OK. Now the only caveat for this method is that the video quality may not be that good depending on your internet connection. And also it probably only works if you're on Wi-Fi, if you have an internet connection. And also if the video has sound, it's going to play the sound. So you can also disable that just by going to your settings, and then it should be somewhere like one of these blue things right here, and just click on that to mute it, and that should mute the sound. Yeah, that's a pretty quick fix. That's how you get it's a pretty quick fix right there. That's just how you get the wallpapers from YouTube. Now, if you're interested in finding other sources for wallpapers for this program, there's this website called mylivewallpapers.com. I'll drop a link down in the description below, where you can basically browse for video wallpapers to put on in that program. So there's a couple categories you can browse here, but it's definitely more limited than Wallpaper Engine. So I'm just gonna choose one from sci-fi. Let's pick this one. And I think it's just a matter of downloading from this for desktop. So now open up Lively, browse for that file right here, click open. Okay. And it should upload. Alright, so I'm going to select that as the wallpaper. I'm going to quickly close out of Wallpaper Engine so it doesn't interfere with this. And there we have it. We have this astronaut. I'm going to be honest, the quality is not that good, but it will do the job. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Happy New Year.